The growing for mechanical keyboards shows how much typists and gamers value performance, precision, and durability. And when it comes to making sandwiches, panini presses are just as indispensable for food lovers. A great panini press delivers even heating, sturdy build quality, versatile cooking, and excellent value. This guide evaluates 5 top-rated models to help you choose the right one for crispy, melty, gourmet-level sandwiches at home. List member George Foreman 4-serving removable plate electric grill and panini press. The George Foreman 4-serving grill and panini press is a kitchen classic for a reason. With movable, dishwasher-safe plates, cleanup is quick and painless. Its compact size makes it great for small kitchens, yet it's large enough to make 4 servings at once. Perfect for families or meal prep. The signature sloped design drains excess fat, making your sandwiches healthier without sacrificing flavor. The press heats up quickly and distributes heat evenly, creating those perfect grill marks and ensuring your panini comes out crispy on the outside and warm and gooey on the inside. The lockable hinge also allows you to cook thicker sandwiches, burgers, or even vegetables. If you're looking for a trusted brand that combines functionality with ease of use, the George Foreman press delivers consistent results every time. List 2 Quezinart GR11 Gridler 3-in-1 Grill and Panini Press, Silver. The Quezinart GR11 Gridler offers versatility and sleek design. This 3-in-1 appliance works as a panini press, contact grill, and full griddle, giving you plenty of cooking options. Its floating hinge adjusts to fit sandwiches of any thickness, and the non-stick plates ensure even browning without sticking. The plates are also removable and dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. It preheats quickly and comes with power and ready-to-cook indicator lights, so you know exactly when it's hot enough. Ideal for more than just sandwiches, this Gridler can handle everything from pancakes to burgers to vegetables. Its stainless steel finish looks stylish on every countertop, and its compact size makes it a great choice for apartments or dorms. For a multifunctional and reliable kitchen companion, the Quezinart GR11 is an excellent investment. List number Hamilton Beach Panini Press Sandwich Maker and Electric Indoor Grill with locking lid. Hamilton Beach offers an affordable yet high-performing panini press and grill. Its locking lid and floating hinge system let you press sandwiches of virtually any thickness while ensuring even heat distribution. The grill plates feature a non-stick coating for easy food release and quick cleanup. It opens 180 degrees to double as an indoor grill. Perfect for quesadillas, veggies, and burgers as well as paninis. Indicator lights tell you when the unit is powered on and preheated. Its compact footprint makes it a great fit for smaller kitchens, yet it's sturdy enough to handle regular use. Whether you're making a single sandwich or cooking a quick dinner for 2, the Hamilton Beach Press offers dependable performance at a wallet-friendly price. List number Chefman Panini Press Grill and Gourmet Sandwich Maker Non-Stick Coated Plates. The Chefman Panini Press Grill is a versatile, user-friendly appliance designed for both beginners and experienced cooks. With a floating hinge and adjustable lid, it accommodates sandwiches and foods of any thickness, from thin wraps to towering paninis. The non-stick coated plates cook evenly and make cleanup easy. It opens 180 degrees to function as an indoor grill, giving you the flexibility to cook meats, veggies, or breakfast foods alongside your sandwiches. Its sleek black and silver design complements any kitchen decor, while its compact size ensures easy storage. It heats up quickly and has clear indicator lights, so you know exactly when it's ready to go. This model strikes a great balance between performance, ease of use, and affordability, making it an ideal choice for households looking to add a bit of gourmet flair to their meals. List 5. Chefman Electric Panini Press Grill and Gourmet Sandwich Maker with non-stick coated plates. Another standout from Chefman, this electric panini press offers all the same great features: floating hinge, 180-degree opening, non-stick plates in a slightly more robust build. The adjustable lid adapts to thick or thin sandwiches with ease, while the flat open grill function lets you cook a variety of foods beyond sandwiches. Its non-stick surface minimizes the need for oil and ensures quick cleanup after cooking. Sleek and space efficient, it fits neatly into any kitchen. The indicator lights let you know when the unit is powered on and ready to cook, taking the guesswork out of timing. Perfect for creating restaurant-quality paninis at home. This Chefman model is ideal for anyone who values versatility, reliability, and an attractive price point in their kitchen appliances.